Hi everyone! In this video, we'll see how to connect Clueso's MCP to your AI agents, starting with Claude. Open Claude and then go to Customize. Then, we open Connectors and add a custom connector. Here, we can give it the name Clueso and paste the MCP server URL into the field. After that, click Add. Now you need to connect Clueso and give authorization to connect it with Claude. For a smoother experience, we can set the tool's permissions to Always Allow. And that's it. Clueso is now connected. We can open a new chat and start using Clueso right inside Claude. Let's say we're interested in history of lanterns. So we simply prompt, create a complete Clueso project for an educational YouTube video titled The History of Lanterns, and hit send. Now we wait for Claude to use Clueso to create all the assets and make a video. Next, we'll see how to connect Clueso's MCP with ChatGPT. First, open your ChatGPT account in your browser. Go to your profile and open Settings. Then click on Apps. Next, head over to Advanced Settings and turn on Developer Mode. Then create a new app. Name it Clueso and paste in the URL. Then click I understand and want to continue. And finally, hit Create. This will take you to the Clueso login page. Simply sign in with your Clueso account. Once you give authorization, you'll be redirected back automatically. And that's it. Now you can use Clueso right here. We can write a prompt like this. The more detailed our prompt, the better the result will be. Now hit enter. And that's it. We can even connect Clueso with Claude Code, Gemini CLI, Cursor, and VS Code. Setup links for these are in the description.